Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be cooking some fresh fish. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have some fresh fish, salt, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, 2 Maggi cubes, garlic powder, water, half onion and ginger powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I will put my well cleaned fish inside the pot. I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 2 Maggi cubes, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder. I'll pour 2 cups of water inside. I'll add my onion. Then stir it round. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. This is the end result of my cooked fish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.